श्रीमती सामने से तेज चल।
प्राणेभ्योऽपि प्रियतरा भवति अस्याः समृद्ध विविध
Ma'am and chief guest of the day and everyone gathered here. I am Ainik Itran.
और मैं अमित.
We are the students of class 9B, host of the today's sermon of Mrs. Jyoti Kulkarni ma'am, PGT Mathematics, who served 31 years of excellence. Joined KD Sangathan in 1993 at Gulbarga, served there for 6 years. Joined Raichur in 1999 and served up to 2004. From 2004 to 2008, worked in KV Dharwad. From 2008 to 2010, for a short time, worked in KV Tumkur. And from 2010 to 2021, worked in MG Railway Colony Bengaluru for 11 years. And then joined our beloved Vidyalaya on October 13, 2021. We are blessed to have you here in our Vidyalaya on last short years of your 20th month.
अगर हमें गणित कौन ही समझाएगा। मैं अभी श्रेयस को मंच पर आमंत्रित करता हूँ और मैम के द्वारा दिए गए शिक्षा और उनके साथ बिताए समय के बारे में बताने की अनुरोध करता हूँ।
Good morning to one and all present here, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to bid farewell to our beloved teacher, Mrs. Jyoti Kulkarni ma'am. It's a moment filled with countless emotions, and we are filled. Ma'am has been my mathematics teacher right from 6th grade, and I must say, the way ma'am puts the concepts and makes it simple for the students to understand is just amazing. Being a great teacher, ma'am has guided us on the right path by teaching us morals, sharing her experience and valuable life lessons, which have and will have a huge impact on us. At the end, I would like to say, thank you ma'am. We are grateful for everything you have done for us. On behalf of students of KVR, I would like to wish you a wonderful retirement and a happy life ahead. Thank you.
धन्यवाद श्रेयस। अगली कड़ी में निशांत को आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
ज्योति मैम इतने अच्छे पढ़ाने के कारण हमें इस विषय से बहुत लगाव हो गया है। मुझे अब तक याद है कि कैसे वो हमें छठी कक्षा में पहली बार पढ़ाने आई थी। उस वक्त मुझे गणित में उतनी दिलचस्पी न थी, लेकिन ज्योति मैम के इतने अपर्याप्त तरीके से पढ़ाने के कारण गणित मेरा और बहुत से छात्रों का पसंदीदा विषय बन गया है। मैम हर छात्र की कमजोरियाँ और कुछ भंडार प्रश्न भी देती थी, जिससे हम बहुत कुछ सीखते थे। उनके जाने के बाद यह विद्यालय बहुत सुना सुना रहेगा। मैम मैं आपको पूरे केंद्रीय विद्यालय देव भैया कारखाना परिवार की तरफ से आपको जीवन के एक नए पड़ाव को आरंभ करने की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। हम सब आपसे वादा करते हैं कि हम मेहनत करना।
इसके साथ अगली कड़ी में 11वीं अ की छात्रा प्रियंका कविता वाचन के लिए आ रही है।
Written by me, Priyanka Charishma Nitya, called Mathematical Memories. It goes like, you made math so fun with lessons so clear. Your kindness and patience we always adhere. With every problem, equation and test, you taught us so well, you were simply the best. With all the wisdom you shared, in how us it will show. Your humble presence and care will be remembered. In 2 years with you, our character was molded. From angled graphs and those tricky sums, you helped us see math in a whole new light, turning complex topics to something we could enjoy. As you retire, we want you to know your impact on us will continue to grow. You have prepared us so well for the challenges ahead with the knowledge and confidence in us. You spread. Thank you for all the lessons and patience. The care in our minds and hearts will always be there.
कुछ गम है, कई यादें बतौर इनाम मिले, एक सफर पर निकले और तजुर्बे तमाम मिले। अब सभी कक्षाओं के प्रतिनिधि मंच पर आए और फूलों एवं उपहारों के साथ ज्योति कुलकर्णी मैम का सम्मान करें।
Ma'am, to speak a few words and grace the ceremony.
To one and all here, respected principal madam, senior teachers, HM madam, Gupta sir, Shaka madam, all my dear colleagues, and not the least my loving children. This overwhelming welcome from me, it has filled my heart. I don't know what to speak. I'm sandwiched between two feelings. I'm happy that I have completed 31 years of long service. But I'll be very sad to leave it. From 31 long years, whichever KV I went, I found you children, the most blessed ones, who gave unconditional love, whether we scolded you or sometimes punished you for your wrong deeds. But still that unconditional love always kept us feeling that we have to do something for you. I felt that it was my earnest duty to see that every child in my class learned the things that I taught. I wanted to make my work, that is the lessons for you, very easy so that you enjoy it. And some children feel it is a difficult subject. There is maths phobia always within the children. So I wanted to bring it out from you. Today I want to give you a lesson. Few tips wherein you can be successful in learning mathematics. Children, when we take a class, though it is a 40-minute one, we teach for 25 to 30 minutes. 10 minutes go only in revising what we have taught. So when you go home, you have 5 or 6 subjects, in which if you revise the things that we have taught on that day, for at least for 20 to 25 minutes, then your work on that day is over. And then wherever you find the difficulty, that like you didn't understand that concept, you can mark it and ask the teacher the next day. And usually we follow the textbook. So remember to read the next part of the textbook that the teacher is going to read, teach, and then note it, read it a little and come, so that the concept that the teacher teaches in the class becomes easy for you. So if you do this for 5 or 6 subjects, it is just around 1.5 hours of study. Apart from this, you can do your homework and other things. Those things will be there for you to do other than this. But make it a point, this part every day you will do, so that no child fails. Okay? No child will get less marks in any subject. One more thing, learn to enjoy what you are doing. So if you start enjoying mathematics, then mathematics will become the most easiest subject for you. So learn to enjoy whatever your teacher teaches you. Give your 100%. I am sure you will do well. This time we expect very good result in class 10th and 12th children. All the 10th and 12th children, all the best. All the children in the school, all the best for your future. Wishing a very good future for all the children. I end my speech. Thank you.
School clap, go!
Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon our respected principal ma'am to address our gathering.
Good morning to all the guests of the Jyoti Ma'am family, and very special guest for today, Jyoti Kulkarni ma'am. I welcome you all, the family members of the Jyoti Kulkarni ma'am Vidyalaya. Today is a special day, all of you know. Today is the retirement ceremony for Jyoti ma'am, and she has just spoken to you that she is very happy that she has completed successfully the service without any problem. And she has shared her experiences also, that she has served in many KVs. I think she has worked in Navodaya also. Navodaya is a residential school. There we are associated with the children throughout the day because they stay, there is hostel. So we are associated with the children on a deep level. Means we have a good bond because we understand that their behavior and how do they do. As a student and as a child also we know that. And about Jyoti ma'am, I would like to say that she is a very simple person. She is very pure at heart. She is very grounded. She is introverted, and I have never seen her that she has lost her temper. And generally, she will say sorry even for the things she has not done. Suppose by chance. Otherwise, what happens these days? People do not feel sorry even for the things they have done intentionally. But to settle the situation and to make the situation calm and peaceful, she will say sorry. Sorry, the other person has felt like this. And she is always busy with her work. She is a silent worker. She will not say anything and she will not post that I have done this, I have done this, but she will continuously be busy in her work in this corner of the school or that corner of the school. So I appreciate her for this. And she is very social in the sense she is very loving and affectionate for the family members also. Sometimes I used to talk to her about personal things, how she is adjusting with all the family members, and what is the best I have learned from her, that she shared one day that because she has no daughter, she has only one son, and she said that there are all male members in my family and there is no gender biasness in her house that I have to cook for everyone. Suppose in kitchen, if anyone goes and the batter is ready, so everyone will make that dosa or that for himself. So this is a great thing, and this is only the training. So she has trained his son like that. So it is very wonderful. And this is that many people say so many things about this, that idealism. But she has practically manifested that in her behavior. And you have also listened to her that she mathematics is not a subject to be frightened, to be afraid of. What is the best tip she has given? Every day you have to give at least half an hour to study maths or to revise that. Then you will score good marks. So as a teacher of maths, as an expert of mathematics, you have to value these words. And whatever you have learned from her personality, you have to implement that, you have to practice that in your life. Then definitely you are going to be a successful person. And enjoy what you do. This is a great thought. If we enjoy what we do, then we will not feel tension, we will not be stressed, and we will enjoy good health. Everything will be good if we enjoy what we do. So you should also learn how to enjoy your studies, how to enjoy to be in school in discipline. So ma'am, I congratulate you on this day, and I wish that God bless you with health, peace, prosperity, and you live a very happy and successful second inning of your life. Because after retirement, a person is not retired, his one phase of life is over, but another phase of life is has started. As you know, a student, after that you go to college, after college you go to job, means you start any profession. Similarly, so she has just completed this phase of service in her life, and next phase is now she can do whatever she loved, whatever she can not do when she was doing her service in Indian Care Center, because there are some constraints also. So once again, ma'am, I congratulate you and your family members also, and I wish you best of luck for everything, and you stay healthy and happy throughout your life. Thank you.
School clap, go!
Thank you, ma'am.
जाने का कौन जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कुछ लोग जिंदगी में मिलते हैं ऐसे जिनसे कभी ना टूटने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है। आपको सेवानिवृत्ति की अनंत शुभकामनाएं।
I admire and respect of hard year work over your long career. Nothing but best. That's what you get, ma'am. From the whole Vidyalaya, congratulations on your retirement, ma'am. Best and live a happy life and peaceful life, retirement life ahead. As the ceremony comes to an end, either you run the day or the day runs you. So keep on working. Thank you and have a great day ahead.